Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Have you been struggling to conceal your alopecia? Feeling like nothing would work without causing more hair damage? Well, I've discovered this gentle, no tension updo that not only hides thinning areas in your alopecia, but it also protects your fragile hair as well. What if I told you that you could create a stunning, sophisticated updo in just under an hour and a half from start to finish? Yes, start to finish, ladies, using these tricks that are way easier than they look. That's exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to show you the simple tutorial to creating a beautiful twisted updo style that looks just like you stepped out of the salon. This style was perfect for instantly elevating your look, whether you're heading to the office, a special event, or you just want to feel beautiful and a little more fabulous. And the best part, this style is incredibly versatile. By that I mean you can wear it in the twist, you can braid it. I mean, there are just so many things. So you can just play around with this updo style, and this style can be achieved on all hair types. Yes, straight hair, fine hair, thick curly hair, or even natural hair. And the best part about this style is this is just the starting point. Again, like I say, feel free to play around with it, make it a little more messier, try braiding the ends, and just really making it your own. If you found this video helpful, please at the end tap the link in the description. It will take you to my website where you can purchase our hair growth products, as well as tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. As you can see here, my client does have a lot of alopecia or hair loss, and I did some braids going towards the middle, meaning I braided one side to the middle and the other side to the middle. I did some single braids in the center where she has the most significant hair loss, and that is to make sure that I'm reducing as much tension, pressure, and pulling on those hair issue areas that she has. I want to make sure that I am not doing as much pulling as possible. So I did singles here in the middle, and then I'm going to continue on with the rest of this style. So continue to keep watching to the end so you can see how this beautiful style was achieved. Again, please tap the bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single week. As you can see here with those single braids, I'm adding some more braiding hair to make these braids thicker, and this is the part that's going to create the twist and the updo style for her. As you can see here, I grabbed a significant amount of braiding hair, and I'm just adding this hair to those singles that I did in the center. So I'm starting off with a regular braid, and after I braid down so far, I'm going to go into a twist. And that is going to be the end of the braids, which again is going to create this twisted updo style for her. So again, as you can see here, I'm braiding. And now I'm going into that twist. See how I'm just twisting it from this point on? And again, this is going to give her that twisted updo style that we are creating today. So yes, ladies, no more worries about your alopecia, your hair loss issues or areas. No more worrying about those patches. They can be completely covered with this style, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So again, continue to keep watching to the end and see how this beautiful style is created.